How to turn on TikTok HD upload quality. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, go to the video you're trying to post. After you're in this section, click on Next at the bottom right. Then, click on More Options. In More Options, scroll down, you'll find Allow High Quality Uploads. Before used to be SD quality, but now it's written on Allow High Quality Uploads. Simply turn it on. After you do this, you can simply post your video and it will be uploaded in HD quality. This is how to turn on TikTok HD upload quality. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.